Cooperative learning is much more than attending just to the seating plan of your students. It's a process that encourages collaboration and reduces the isolated effort and competition often found in classrooms. Cooperative learning is rooted in social constructivism, which suggests that students construct their knowledge as they interact with their peers. This is one of the most powerful instructional strategies that is available to teachers. Johnson Hollebeck suggests that there are generally 5 components of cooperative learning. Cooperative learning supports a range of dispositions in students, including positive interdependence, which is the notion that one person cannot succeed unless everyone succeeds. The other is face-to-face interaction. Students need to converse together and use their collaborative skills as they learn. The third is individual accountability. Each person on the team is accountable for a specific portion of the work. This is not like group work of old, where groups were left to fend for themselves. The fourth is interpersonal and small group skills. Students need to use a variety of cooperative skills, such as paraphrasing, active listening, and suspending judgment as they work with their peers. And the final one is group processing, where groups reflect on their work and consider the ways in which their work has met the outcomes and the types of things that they need to do as a group to be more effective. A range of activities can be used in a cooperative learning classroom, such as think, pair, share, inside-outside circles, jigsaws, 4 corners, 3-step interviews, and a placemat activity. More complex cooperative methods include team games tournament, student teams achievement divisions, and the Johnson Hollebeck 5 elements which I've just discussed. More detail on each of these can be found in the printed resource that accompanies this DVD.
Our goal is to locate the meaning of the Cree culture through the art of Alan Sapp, using a cooperative learning strategy called a placemat. Individually, you can make notes on your corner of the placemat. The themes are, Green, what is your theme, please?
Life on the land.
Very good. Yellow?
Wisdom of the elders.
Good. Blue?
Memories of the richness of the woods.
Very good. Orange?
Animal friends.
And pink.
The role of the Cree women.
Very good. So now you can have a couple minutes to work individually on your corner of the placemat.
Each student is responsible for 1 or 2 pictures from a set of 6 or 8. On their corner of the placemat, each student locates and writes down details from their picture that corresponds to their group's theme. Students will combine their individual responses to create a more comprehensive and detailed group response.
Okay, now each small group will share within the small group. One person will speak at a time and share their corner of the placemat, please.
Making bannock on the land. Use all of the buffalo. Birds on leaves was a buffalo. For light and fire for heat.
The reporter should be making notes now.
Following their group work, students will share the details they have found in the pictures that connect to the theme they have been given. A variation on this activity would be to have the students identify the theme based on the pictures they are working with.
Children dig roots for the crops. Some plants may be used as medicine. Some plants are sacred. The baby was crying, so the mom was rocking him. Making bannock is a traditional Cree food. Planting a crop and riding on a sleigh.
Was it an easy way to live? No. Thank you very much. You did a wonderful job today with this placemat activity. Good job. The placemat activity is very simple to use. The children, as you can see, thoroughly enjoyed using it. It's as simple as making a copy, writing a theme in the center, and having the children work individually and then share with a large group. Every student shares their ideas and thoughts about the theme in the center of the placemat.